The dynamic voice recognition system in your Hyundai allows you to use your voice and active Bluelink account to control vehicle functions.
It is 4:55 p.m. in Montreal.
Find and navigate to points of interest,
Go home.
and even obtain stock, weather, and sports information.
When is the next full moon?
The moon will be a full moon on Saturday, October 28th.
The feature uses cloud-based AI to respond to natural speaking phrases. Dynamic voice recognition requires an active Bluelink subscription for advanced voice recognition features and stock, weather, and
weather
sports
is 70.
information. If you don't have an active Bluelink subscription, many of the voice recognition features in this video will not be available. The VR button on the steering wheel provides access to both dynamic voice recognition and smartphone functions for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A short press on the button gives access to dynamic voice recognition, and a long press on the button will access smartphone functions. To use dynamic voice recognition, use a short press on the VR button and speak naturally,
Find the nearest available charge point charger.
ensuring that the onboard microphone can hear you. If it's your first time using dynamic voice recognition, you may want to see a list of some of the commands you can use. Press the VR button and say "Help,"
Help.
Here are some available
and you'll see a
commands.
list of many of the commands you can use. Vehicle control commands can allow you to control features such as climate settings, trunk or lift gate, seat warming, and ventilation. You can bring up menu settings to quickly access them and tune to different stations or music sources.
Tune to classic vinyl.
For navigation, you can search for points of interest.
Find me a car wash that's open.
Please say the line number of the
And then
location
navigate to them. You can also command it to go to a preset destination.
Go home.
The route guidance will start now.
And even obtain information on stocks,
The S&P 500 closed at 4,000.
weather,
What's the weather forecast for Sunday?
There will be showers with a high of 71 degrees and a low.
and sports results.
The Las Vegas Raiders are playing the Los Angeles Chargers Sunday, October 1st at 1:05 p.m.
Some Hyundai models also allow you to say, "Hey Hyundai," to activate dynamic voice recognition.
Hey Hyundai. Open charger door.
To turn this setting on or off, touch Setup and then Voice Recognition. Then tap Activate Wake Up Word. The system will then ask you to repeat a series of phrases so it can learn your voice. Then simply say, "Hey Hyundai," anytime to activate dynamic voice recognition.
Hey Hyundai. Set temperature to 70 degrees.
You can also adjust the wake-up sensitivity from this screen. As a reminder, you need an active Hyundai Bluelink subscription for dynamic voice recognition to work. And you also need to be in an area with connectivity to Bluelink. If Bluelink isn't
Find the
connected or
nearest
activated,
available DC
different
charger.
commands will be necessary, and some commands may not be functional. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai.